Wow. I freaking love these lashes, and I truly didn't think I was gonna be that impressed with them, but they are amazing. I'm on day 7, so it's probably time to take them off and remove them, but normally I know when to remove them because they start lifting and you could just tell like they're gonna start falling off, but not these ones. Not these ones at all. For reference, the kit came with the lashes and then the seal and bond and then these tweezers that I think are genius because of the way that they're shaped. So much easier to apply. Now that I'm on day 7, I need to switch them out anyway. I'm gonna put them to the test and I'm just gonna try to get in there and clean them and see if they hold strong. So far, they've held more strong than any of the other lash brands, and they're really affordable, so let's try it. They've lasted in the shower like no problem washing my face, but I just wanna scrub them and see what happens. Wow. Oh, now it's in my eye. What? Hold on. Hold, please. Let me just... What? All right. They're still not even lifting, and it's literally day 7, and I just scrubbed the crap out of them. Oh my goodness. Okay, so You Cool Me Lashes is just probably gonna be the brand that I use going forward because that is amazing. It's awesome. Go get some.